First of all, remove the battery. Slide both the locks inside into inwards. Remove these two rubber bases. Under the rubber base there are two screws. See whether any screws are there under the DVD drive. Okay, we are done with the screws. After removing the bottom casing, for removing the RAM, first we need to do is just widen these two locks here. This way the RAM will pop up in here. Just pull it, don't pull it upwards, pull it backwards. Is here in this way. So now this RAM is of 4 GB and low voltage. So if you want to upgrade, you can go for another 4 GB, that will be total 8 GB, or you can go with 8 GB, total it will be 12 GB, or if you want you can omit this 4 GB RAM and go for 2 8 GB RAMs depending upon your usage. Just going on increasing the RAM doesn't increase your speed. Only thing is it can help you in multitasking. Multitasking in the sense you will open multiple applications at the same time. So in that case it may be of helpful. So take your new RAM. You can place the old RAM here. See, this notch is inserted properly. Just push it inside. See, here you can see the tracks. Push it inside in this way. Just push it down. These will lock it. That's all. And take your new RAM and you can insert it here. Just show it to you. Take a new RAM this way. This is also 4 GB, same speed. Push it here in this way. Push it down. That's it. After fixing everything, take your back cover, bottom cover. Just a moment. Just fasten the fan screw, which we didn't do. Okay. Only that one was remaining. Okay. Now take the bottom cover here. this DVD drive, fix it back. Okay. Now go on fastening the screws. Hope this video is useful for you and will be helping you. If this video is helpful for you and if you have liked this video, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Keep watching our videos as I am trying to upload the videos, whatever work I do on my own in my household. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time. After inserting all the screws, just use this here rubber pad. Anti-skid rubber pad these are, so that when you keep the laptop on the desk, it will not slip. Just switch it on and check. I don't know whether the battery is charged or not. See here, battery is not charged, so I connect the adapter. Here the power light is glowing, fan is rotating. We'll wait for the display. Hope this video has helped you and was useful for you. If this video has helped you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.